This is doing exceptional well, and I'm definitely gonna have to try a piece of that. So these two small ones are actually doing better outside of the dome than their counterparts, which we'll show you in a minute, but have to pinch off a piece of lettuce here and just see. Thanks, plant. Look at that leaf. It's a pretty good sized leaf. Now it's time for a taste test. Very good. All right. Let's move on. Has a little stronger flavor after, not right away. It's pretty mild. It was pretty nice. Texture was really good, nice and soft leaf. All right, now we're down here. So we had some unexpected pruning of our tomato plant yesterday. We were cleaning up, and as you can see, it lost a couple leaves. So just gonna pinch that one off and this one off. But it's doing very well. It's right at the top. Now I want to show you the roots. Get the carnage out of the way. Look at those lovely, lovely roots. Very nice and white. The camera doesn't quite do it justice, but those are very nice roots. So that's our third week. Look at this nice little piece of celery. This one just came up over the last week. And then, now here's what I wanted to show you. Okay, so this one's been under the dome. This one has been out of the dome. Planted the same time, but this one's spent more time out of the dome than this one. And it doesn't look like there's any roots on either one of them. Maybe I'll reverse them. Same thing with this one. So those two plants had been outside from under the dome for about a week. These ones have stayed under the dome. These ones have a week outside the dome. And of course we have this one doing really well. So that's actually a really attractive, really, I'd say that's a really good looking pepper plant, I think. We'll see, I guess. Time will tell. And then what else do we have? This one shot up this week. And it also had a little lost part of a leaf when we were cleaning this up. The bubblers are working well. This one just came up since last week. And then of course we still have, oh, we've got that one. There. Oops. There you go. So these two, these two came up at the same time. It's just that this one's been in the water for a week and this one's been outside getting watered. So even when they're really young, obviously they love being in the nutrient-rich water. These two have done nothing. So I'm gonna deal with those, replant them or something. Oh, and they keep falling over, they're drying out, so time for them to be repurposed. But yeah, then of course Mr. Tomato Plant. I think he's doing pretty well. If you'll remember, last week it was having trouble standing up. Now it's actually got a pretty good stalk, pretty good strength on the stalk. And yeah, you just, if you have trouble with the stalk, just definitely spend some time with the plant and it'll strengthen itself up. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the roots on there. Let's check out the roots on the lettuce plant. And definitely please give us a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and a subscribe. We'd love that. Look at that. That's looking pretty nice. Yep, it's looking pretty nice. We'll put that guy back in there. Oh yes, and also, if you remember last week, we were trying to regrow the living lettuce that we bought from the supermarket, that thing is gone, Splitsville. It was just rotting away and probably ruining the water. So got rid of that one. Maybe you have success with regrowing some stuff from the grocery store, but that didn't happen. So thank you very much for watching. We will join you next weekend with a week 4 update.